Hello, today we are going to study about the digestive system in human body. So, there are some organs which helps in the process of digestion. The main or primary organs in the process of digestion are mouth, esophagus, stomach, large intestine, small intestine and rectum. Along with these primary organs, there are some another organs and body parts which helps in the process of digestion. So, the accessory or helping body parts are teeth, tongue, salivary gland, liver, pancreas, gallbladder and anus. All of the organs and accessory body parts help in the whole process of digestion. So, the digestion of food starts from the mouth. When we eat something, there are larger molecules of food substances which so the teeth helps in the breakdown of the food particles into smaller pieces. There are 4 types of teeth in our mouth, which are incisors, canines, molars and premolars. Incisors helps in the cutting and biting of food. Canines help in tearing of the food. Molars and premolars help in the grinding of the food into very smaller pieces. Now, there are salivary glands in our mouth. There are 3 salivary glands, which are parotid gland, sublingual gland and submandibular gland. This salivary gland produce saliva, which contain different types of enzymes, which make the food items soft and moistened and which is easy to swallow. So, after the secretion from the salivary gland, that means the production of saliva, otherwise the release of saliva helps to moist the food items. There is a tongue which helps to mix the food items. The food that we eat at first break down into smaller pieces by teeth. After that, when the salivary gland produce saliva, this saliva is mixed with the food items by the help of tongue. Tongue helps to mix the food with saliva and also helps to the movement of food items from one part to another part in the mouth. The salivary gland produce saliva which contain amylase and lysozyme. That means salivary amylase. Salivary amylase. So, as we talked about that the digestion of food starts from the mouth because the salivary gland produce saliva which contain salivary amylase. This salivary amylase enzyme helps to break down the carbohydrates that we eat. After that, it also contains lysozyme. This lysozyme enzyme helps to remove the microorganisms which are present in the food particles. These are the functions of mouth, teeth, tongue and salivary gland. After that, when the food particles is mixed with saliva, this is called bolus. This is called bolus, which is soft and moistened. This bolus is then swallowed by the mouth and it is transferred to the stomach through esophagus. Esophagus helps to transport the bolus from the mouth to the stomach. After that, the stomach produces gastric juice. Stomach produces gastric juice. This gastric juice contains another enzymes and hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. This hydrochloric acid helps to removal of the microorganisms which are present in the food particles. If we digest some microorganism with the food particles, the HCl in the stomach will. Now this is the function of HCl, and the gastric juice also contains some enzyme as for example pepsin, which helps in the breakdown of another components of the food particles. But the salivary amylase does not work in the stomach due to the presence of hydrochloric acid. In stomach, maximum food particles are getting digested. After that, which products remain, it transferred directly to the small intestine. Along with this, the liver produces bile juice. The pancreas produces pancreatic juice. The bile juice and pancreatic juice from the pancreas and liver poured in the gallbladder. The gallbladder stored the bile juice and the pancreatic juice, and the gallbladder is then transported to the small intestine directly. In small intestine, the foods are being digested further, and after that most of the food particles are absorbed in the small intestine by the villi and microvilli. These villi and microvilli absorb the digested food particles and then transfer it to the bloodstream, and along with the bloodstream the digested food transported to all over the body. After that, what is remains here transferred to the large intestine. In large intestine, the further digestion occurs, and after that the waste product is getting removed from the body through the rectum